किसी को कुछ नहीं पता मेरे बारे में।
ओहो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है करण. Like you are also not a very ऐसा secretive person. You are also like an open book. Like
बेटा मैंने बोला है किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है मेरे बारे में, नॉट इसको कुछ नहीं पता है. सुन लिया ना?
करण को बहाना लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. He'll say that I'm sitting at home doing nothing, but I'll not come on shoot.
Well, have you ever vouched for a friend you could say कि वो आपके बारे में inside out जानता है? क्या कोई ऐसा दोस्त है आपका जिससे अगर हम 10 सवाल पूछें तो वो आपके बारे में 10 में से 10 on 10 देकर आएगा? well, आज के हमारे फटाफट 10 के इस खास सेगमेंट पे दैट इज द कपल एडिशन, जहां पे रियल कपल असद एंड जोया से ये कहे करण सिंह ग्रोवर एंड सुरभि ज्योति हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं और वो लेंगे आज का ये टेस्ट और करेंगे स्पिल एक दूसरे के खास सीक्रेट्स और बताएंगे कि फाइनली इन दोनों में से कौन है ज्यादा अच्छा गुड लिसनर और कौन है ज्यादा अच्छा गुड स्पीकर. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं असद और जोया को और जानते हैं कि वो क्या शेयर करते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में, आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, नॉट ओनली दैट कबूल है 2.0 के फीडबैक के बारे में. So now Karan, you answer for Surbhi, you answer for Karan. Let's see कि आप लोग इतना टाइम साथ काम करके एक दूसरे को कितना पहचानते और जानते हैं.
मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानती हूँ. पूछो.
Oh yeah.
So guys, I would say कि one such habit about each other that not many people know about, वो कौन सी है?
I don't think she has any habits that like people around her wouldn't know because she does everything the way she is, except for that one incident which I heard of recently.
And what was that?
Oh yeah.
That अभी ऐसा बचपन की यादें शो नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे, so please let it go.
That is not a yadein, it's a nightmare.
Yeah, maybe for the people who were there in the pool.
Yeah, I am so happy we didn't grow up together. Anyway, I was all grown up when you were born.
Why am I just joining dots and dots in the pool, Surbhi?
Yeah, in the pool. She was in the pool and she was making her own liquids.
I got it. I understood.
I used to actually do a lot of irritating things. I used to spit at people's face who used to just come to me and pull my cheeks and all. It's just too.
Yeah. किसी को कुछ नहीं पता मेरे बारे में.
ओहो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है करण. Like you are also not a very ऐसा secretive person. You are also like an open book. Like
बेटा मैंने बोला है किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है मेरे बारे में, नॉट इसको कुछ नहीं पता है. सुन लिया ना?
हाँ, मतलब जो लोग उसे जानते हैं, he's quite like open. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that oh ये आदत नहीं पता.
But then one habit
ऐसी आदत है जो शायद मुझे भी नहीं पता. I have no idea. He's very supportive. Like if you want to do a scene, he'll be there. If you are sad and upset about something, he would listen to you. And if there is something, there's some mischief going in your mind, and he'll listen to you. He'll participate. So he's supportive. He is.
It's not a habit, Surbhi. That's a characteristic. It's not.
Oh, that's what she said. What's one thing that you like about him? And I said that he's supportive.
Okay, thank you.
And I gave
because Surbhi does not have a
examples.
habit about you. Surbhi के पास habit थी नहीं, तो इससे चलो. Okay, next वाला.
ठीक है.
One such song that you would say is your co-star's stress buster.
One song ऐसा तो time to time change होते रहता है.
Yeah, I know.
कौन सा है?
There was a. It's WAP.
Yeah. So see, my songs are not like one favorite song. My songs
But
like
WAP.
change, from time to time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Karan का
Okay,
नहीं
what
पता
about
मुझे. Karan का I don't know. Karan listens to some samurai music.
Yeah, I do. That's true.
See?
But then is that a stress buster? Karan, is that your stress buster or no?
Yes, doing exercise is something he enjoys the most, and this is the music he plays when he exercises. And yeah, so stress buster ho gaya na Karan. It was a smart answer.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Karan, do you agree with it because your actions speak differently?
No, fine. That's fine. That's good. She knows me very well.
Okay. One line or a word that you would call as a takya kalam for your co-star. That line that person speaks a lot or a word.
She says, "Hana" together. Like she'll say, if she agrees with it, like "Hana," I was like "Hana, Hana, Hana" together. She says that. Hana, yeah, Hana.
Okay, what about you, Surbhi? What is that takya kalam of Karan that you have got to know, that you have realized?
करण का नहीं है कोई तकिया कलाम. That's what I'm
Wow.
saying. करण नहीं है ऐसा. वाव मत करो.
मेरे तो I'm feeling like I'm like very blending with the environment kind of person. Like I don't exist for it.
Oh come on. No.
Karan, what is your takya kalam, by the way? Now you can tell us if you
हाँ,
want.
please tell me. What's your तकिया कलाम? Please tell me.
I say
क्या?
awesome. Everything is always awesome. That's
Okay.
not
Yep.
okay. That's a word. So yeah, she's right. I don't have.
Yeah, but he says awesome. Okay.
One celebrity crush that you know of about your co-star, वो कौन सा है?
Hugh Jackman.
Surbhi, what about Karan? Why do I think that he's winning? He's gonna win.
I won already.
नहीं करण का.
हाँ.
I don't know what. Monica Bellucci. Did you mention her?
What?
No. अच्छा.
Can't bata de wo.
नहीं wait. Please tell me who is your celebrity crush. Please tell me. Nation wants to know. Tell me.
Nation doesn't want to know. You want to know right now because I'll tell you after this game.
Please tell me, Karan.
No, I'm not saying.
Because he doesn't have a crush on any celebrity.
Is
But
that
that's true.
so, Karan?
Yeah, I don't have a crush on any celebrity. That's true. But
Seriously?
Yeah.
He's
Seriously
agreeing
means
with
what?
you now.
Okay. No, मेरे को लगा that he's just being supportive. That yeah, I don't know.
Oh, you got that right.
If not shooting, what do you think Karan or Surbhi would be doing apart from shooting?
Painting.
Finally.
Taking pictures of herself, not her selfies, but getting pictures clicked in.
I
Photo
don't think
shoot.
so.
You don't think so? Means what?
No, trust me, I don't do that. I watch stuff. Like I can just.
I know you watch stuff.
Yeah, but I would do that rather than getting clicked.
I'm saying if your co-star had to cheat on his or her diet, तो वो किस diet
Karan
item के साथ अपनी
Karan would eat pizza.
She's got it.
Very good. Finally, Karan, what about Surbhi? अगर उनको cheat करना है तो किस चीज कैसे करेंगी?
She'd probably eat like a human being because she eats like a bird. So if she was cheating, which she doesn't because she has only that much, but she would eat pani puri. Yeah.
Okay, if ever your co-star had to miss a shoot, तो उनका patent बहाना क्या होगा?
Karan को बहाना लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. He'll say that I'm sitting at home doing nothing, but I'll not come on shoot. He doesn't need a bahana. He'll just say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
She
Karan,
and
what about Surbhi?
And I wouldn't miss shoot, I think.
she would never miss shoot.
Two things that you know that your co-star has always carried around, not the phone, but उसके अलावा, जिसके बिना वो कहीं जा नहीं सकते.
His colors and canvas. And Abhi, in this trip, he showed me that he has some stones also that he carries everywhere.
Yeah, this is my newest one. It's an obsidian,
Nice.
and these are the other ones, and there are many more.
See, I know you pretty well, Karan Singh Grover.
Yeah.
I wouldn't agree to it, but ठीक है. Okay, the last question here. Just tell me one thing that Karan has told you, Surbhi, that he loves about Bipasha, and Karan, आप बताइए one thing that Surbhi has told you कि वो अपने future partner में देखना चाहती है.
That she is an epitome of love. Like she can love anyone or anything unconditionally. Like she's that person.
That's true.
Okay. Karan, what about you? What has Surbhi told you about the future partner that she wants or desires?
Yeah, present, future. Somebody who goes with the flow, is not too stuck up about things. That she would like somebody who's as flexible in the way of living that she is.
So true.
Perfect. And I would say that इस game का विजेता वैसे तो Karan है, but I will leave that choice on the fans. You know, they can decide कि actual में जीता कौन है, but it's pretty clear कौन जीता है. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this fun session with me, Vishakha Pandey, जहाँ पे आज के मेरे मेहमान of couple edition in Farafat 10 was Karan Singh Grover and Sulvi Jyoti. I really hope कि आप लोगों ने उतना ही enjoy किया है जितना मैं इनके साथ shoot करना enjoy कर चुकी हूँ. आप लोग अपनी राय मेरे साथ नीचे बने comment section में जरूर share करिएगा कि what do you have to say about this segment, and also आपके लिए Karan Singh Grover and Sulvi Jyoti में से ये competition या ये कहें ये face off, ये who knows who better कौन जीता है. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandey, signing off. For now, you stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates of the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.